operated pump, or you can have the whistles and bells. You can use the battery. You can use electricity. We have some brains in it, which means that when you have it inserted into a person and they begin to breathe, the system has to react. So we have those systems completely at the prototype level, and we've tested them and they function. The next obvious step is to get some additional resources so that we can actually build what you can put in the hospital. That's the next step, and that requires a little bit of financial support.
Have you been able to test what the prototype one that I've been able to do? Have you been able to test it? That it functions properly?
Yes, we've been able to test it. We've been able to. So basically, what is a ventilator? You know, you have an external source of air, whether it's medical air, whether it's pressurized oxygen air, and it basically pumps the air through what we call a humidifier, which adds some moisture to the air so that you are not pumping dry air into the patient's lungs. And then from there, obviously it goes into the patient expires, and it goes into what we call a PIP, which is the positive end expiratory pressure system. And that is essentially to maintain equilibrium with the lungs, so that when you breathe out, your lungs do not collapse. And then from this PIP system, it goes to what we call the scrubber, where the viruses or bacteria or whatever it may be is killed. That is the basic infrastructure. Everything else you see in the hospital are the whistles and bells and the computers around this basic infrastructure. So we have that functional. The next logical step is to buy medical grade components so that you can assemble a system that you can evaluate through the FDA process and then put it in a hospital.
I don't know which type of it really, because I was just trying to scan through one or two things and I came across something they called a negative pressure ventilator. I don't know which one of it. Is it that one, or it's a different?
We are looking at a positive end ventilator system, which basically we pump the air into the patient.
Okay, so tell me the difference. What's the difference between the two, the negative one and then the positive one?
So the negative, the positive one basically means that you are providing air through a mechanism into the patient. Okay. In the olden days, we have what we call the ion lung system. Basically, you take the person and you put them into a chamber, and it's the chamber that compresses the chest so that the patient can breathe. Okay, so you have an external system that is compressing the patient so that the patient will be able to breathe because their muscles are so weak. So those are the early versions of the negative pressure system. You have a mechanism which is often outside the patient that is doing the work for them. In the positive system, you have an endotracheal system that is embedded within the patient itself. I think that is the basic difference. I mean, the medical doctors will be able to tell you more.
Okay. And you know, now ventilator is actually running out of supply under this COVID-19 pandemic. I mean, all over, everywhere. Is there any way to turn any of our electronic gadgets on hand to a ventilator?
Well, I'll tell you, the first thing we did in our prototype design was to use your basic windshield wiper motor. Okay. And we just bought leather, which is the regular leather you find in sofas. And then we created bellows out of it, and then we used the motor from your typical vehicle windshield wiper to basically drive it. So that will be the air source that you are pumping into the system that I described earlier. So that's, one that is, you are basically harvesting local materials to do that. I have also seen others where, they basically use Android as a display system. So from our perspective, all we have now, in fact, we actually use PVC pipes to develop our first prototype as well. Of course, PVC pipes are non-medical grade components. So, for this system to go into a human being, you have to make sure that the eventual components that drive the system are of medical grade.
Then it means that we need to get all these things before you can go into large production.
That's correct, yes. We will need to get all the fittings, the tubing. We will need to get good oxygen source. And that has to all be medical grade. I mean, one thing we have to keep in mind is that ventilators are class 1 devices. Class 1 devices essentially means that they are interacting with human vitals. Okay. And therefore, they have to go through much more rigorous approvals than what we call the Class 2 and Class 3 devices. So it's not a plug and play. However, in times of national emergency, often the testing processes can be shortened, instead of maybe 25, 30, 100 people being tested on these systems, you could have a cut with 10 or 20. And, if they respond positively to it, then you can deploy this in the hospital setting.
Okay, then I was going to ask you something about using PVC pipes, because I'm told that ventilators are very difficult to disinfect.
Yeah, what?
That ventilators are difficult to disinfect.
Okay, to disinfect, yes.
Yes, I'm told so. I don't know if that's correct.
Yes. I mean, ventilators, like every medical devices, are usually placed in an environment where they are exposed to a lot of bacteria. I mean, people actually sometimes go to the hospital with one type of disease and come up with these master type infections, and these are persistent hospital environment infections. So like every other medical devices, you have to have a maintenance plan for them. So you have to clean them, you have to disinfect them, you have to use UV light to cleanse them. So yeah, I mean, the answer is clear. You have to maintain them. You can't just plug it from one patient to the other. However, we are also looking at systems where you can have more than one patient on one ventilator. And so you just have to engineer the airflow so that there's no cross-contamination. But yes, like every medical devices, including the scalpel, you have to disinfect them.
Now let's go a bit into the cost. How much did you spend in creating the prototype?
So far, we have spent about 1,000 to 1,300 cedis in just buying the basic components that we use to assemble our system.
So, please go ahead.
But obviously, to take this into productization, if you start buying the medical grade equipment, it could be a little more expensive. Once you start adding more control systems to it, it will be a little more expensive. But what we are gauging is a device that sells between 1,000 to about 5,000, depending on the complexity of it. And this is in CD.
Okay, so definitely at least with 5,000 Ghana cedis, you'll be able to put together a complete one with all the medical facilities needed.
That's correct. Yes.
Though, okay.
Hello?
I don't know if are they portable. I mean, something like a carry-on. You can move from one place to the other. That we people can even have some in their homes.
Yes. So basically, what we are designing right now will have wheels on it for ease of movement, even within the ward. The packaging we have for the prototype is quite compact. That you can carry. They are not the big, huge types that you see in the hospital. Something really portable and agile is what we are looking at with this design. Very, very little footprint.
Have you had any discussion with our health authorities, like the health minister or anybody responsible for health and medical equipment, as to how they're going to help you either set up to go into full-scale production?
Yeah. So we are talking to some people at Kolebu to get dummies, obviously, so that we can start testing them against dummies. We've got a lot of support and interest from Professor Fripon Boateng. We've got some of our team members, our salespeople in the medical devices industry that have come to join us. They've been supplying these things for many, many years, and they've come to give us some input. We've spoken to some folks from the Ministry of Health, and we're just waiting for next steps.
Thanks so much, Prof, for your time this morning. I really appreciate your time.
The pleasure is mine. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Bye.
Professor Fred McBagon-Laurie. And I tell you, no, why idea now won't fit whom me and from now, and so won't fit to me to train. Intimate trim cool muyi na fe o tesono. Wabomodia wire and wha. What me ye be ha, ye be to be you see. Nami busano coin of fast war, near dear no chem so. Ye Ghana honey mania me wiper ye ni moto. And all the year to talk to PVC pipe CBD can home 1,000, 3,500 Ghana be and all the year. But say Drusu says so yen ye pass the beya you bet me use no hospitals near the end of the year, and they or yeah back when bet me a 5,000 Ghana cedis. Maybe sign you be no on am sure. On impenifo di hunkuta ho said ebe koswa no say ane on impenifo edi hunkuta obi no kolebu on professor from Pomboatin so mo di hunkuta ho ne ade o mo hwe kwan say emrebebam na fe o motimi a produce de bebrebe yenya bi ka yenya bi o ha ne ade bi ko other African countries ni akoton yenya tefa akra na ye de agu ye bottom de agro na agu ye bottom tem set ya no baba modi na share so say wo send mobile money da say mobile money pa na wo send na onim say wo send ya wo commissioner jai the president akase if you 1 cedi kosi 100 Ghana untimi nje commission bia wo so ni nyina no ye ya Yadema and it's MTN say yambo kase say if summary ekosi 20th June was send this car na ye below 100 Ghana patrocian and so say you free just momo it everywhere you go sound so and a lot to the National Lotteries Authority say Koswana Yero Hua Litra. Say almost said your modiaba no a simple dial star 959 hasha. Oh them what if you are too sure? What pay me? Would them cow when I chrono when you be any asem. Let's stay safe and play safe. We will overcome together. Airtel say browsing baby. Oh browsing in ano. Now we stay connected. Social distancing no ho. But me video call na me dam paswa. Social distancing be any ho. Ma frɛ call pa na dam nchem bon koma. Social distancing be any ho. The here we win and so be dial star 111 hash. With them straight. Airtel to go live is simple. Latest form say wo fie ye but more say we benya sofas ne bi wo hon kwala na ba fie. Wo benya 1 seater, 2 seater, 3 seaters ne L shape sofas ne na no bebrego no bo more say ofie ho kala setting kwa betimi ma obi office ho ne hotels ho be ya akono say utima no wani age so what is me ya na ope bi very comfortable, durable, quality with a perfect finish na Kachika and the latest foam. Latest foam, your partner for life. Freddy's corner says if you're here, Niji TV na sempa choko jemfro. Sesi ankolani na abafie na wonso wo fie sano. Yes, ama bebre. So nya microwave bi ofie ona ye ni na chese bra wonso watu bi di ashim. Nkra mo minim so ayiwa. Ma ya ne dem kofia me a kire bi so. Aya na me nima de kono. Unim sem so gas so pa. Minim so me pese me hunu so te meye bibi a wo so ma me de ana maye wa dia ze tunya no bi wo ho a ebe boa pa washing machine say wanya bi ho nkola na be na wo mo nam fom no mu hurukuri no mo de bo ho wo sisa gu washing machine mu a wo da wo kro no ni kanika gas cookers so home theater so mo de be bonjum na ni jiaba force ne de phone bi a pa bi ho Samsung, Nokia, Infinix, Apple, iPhone, Itel and Huawei na no wo benya bi wo friend 0544959195 ye beje wo sododo Mr. Wanyado ubenum so anum awake purified drinking water. When you bought awake purified drinking water near just one for life. Adintra and so we won't know near the so be yare. Yet 1 million ko kolebu abaya sabia dada. Casapreco Company Limited naye. Ofen was 0262351251. Yenso yabejo so kama pa. Malcolm for say Yankancho say beware of scammers. Malcolm does not accept Momo or online money into any individual accounts. And so one so Malcolm for say send the sikama sime them fan to account to na ba wa be yidi account. Malcolm for say memfa sikama bia. Men koye Momo bia say wo tod nyam free Malcolm na Debbie. She na one fall victim. Mawani enna ho ena ona na mana nkrofo bi so o mo nam krasi se be won nkrofo pane no ametete so otu am wo ba bi ye se nkrofo se be wo mo pane aban ka so obi am be wo obi apane aban on ka se ye be wo obi apane enti so obi aba akrom wo se o aban se yembe wo mpane na coronavirus aba bo post for man yem yenche no aban ka se coronavirus eduraba nti yembe wo nkrofo pane wo nkurase ti yesramo assembly men ne assembly women teso the assemblies no mama ni nkofom enkofo fa bronya ho ewe nkokọ papa aban on ka se wonya coronavirus anu aduro enti yembe wo nkrofo pane wo nkurase na nkrofo atwe nsuo keke egu pane no omode nam ne yede tim nkrofo ye tim se kew ne yaje 15 Ghana yede tim se kew dabi coronavirus no yenya ho aduro e wo ho pane enti we cross one awo no otamfo no won ba bi o ma post fonche wo mo aban ka se yembe wo obi apane e coronavirus ho dabi ti share so sa enso fama Vodafone say bomodiana pe 10 Ghana pe yema 1.5 gig fabarus sa 15 solid days wunya 20 Ghana mema 4 gig bosume baako 50 Ghana so 10 gig bosume baako be browse sa abedwa bo sa fe na abuafu ubu so kra ye be chobi so asaka wen sada with a dial *700# *700# with them straight Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Live boy seminar de kumi kura so dudware o smell bi ni hwam fragrance no ye correct papa but so why she why we live boy why you don't want to be a life de gu ho samre e wo mi wo hia seminar papa hohoro wonsa wo hina seminar papa de ayade men sign live boy ho why de wo hia no live boy farmer e wo ho sisi ya woni make say bia okuta prescription bi wa hospital ya tro ndro bia ma ese wo ko pharmacy shop koto wonam ya wo ko ya posifo asan oh bensuro for farmer for sisi ya won ankasa be kwa koto aduro ne dia bro do na no say pam won ankasa so mo ndro ni bi won be yi dia brewo correct edro papa wa woni ma wana na ya fra wana na busa no sisi ya wana on pharmacy shop koto aduro Oti fie ne de abre no. Se sa ne na ebe ye no. Number sen na mebobo yi. 0248 410050 0248 410050 and 055 813 4375 055 813 4375 ubetwe twa prescription no mfoni na odi WhatsApp wo mo ombehwe so no mo de abre o. And I drove here over the counter medication, baby, a paracetamol be, and a win here feel baby, oh, Freya quickly. Yeah, the bebro, a person soon drove it with a friend M farmer. Number 7 to me, friend, but Sunday I was happy woman so, Omodibrica at the Adrono at the bebro. Multi TV customer line and so ho said about your man bit me so deal with Fabiana Joy Learning channel no within a year which Pomodia for 0244 340 415 0244 340 415 or 0244 340 424. Multi TV just thrills. And I won't Adom online wo ma honya na ba Modia na Adom online. We ba Facebook sisi bra. By Facebook page ho professor na menene kasa no ventilator that wire no said that ho straight kura ko hewa ni so ade we en Ghana haya womodia ko na ko hewa ni so ade se video bi aba ya na wo wo so mame ye wo so to Facebook ti ko hwa ti be momodia frem se men wo so ma so WhatsApp wo phone so dia and your Facebook account ko hon tem na wa eja asa agro no na waka tum say bam so with them straight when you be any so asem yesrewa bomodi ana ko na koda ko hwe I was wa mama won bra you want no ti so wa ko Facebook wa obenya de papa na ye no professor na ye no wo ho na wetime hwe na kura na me hwe ti bomodi ana ko ho na fe tumi na ko hwe ho COVID-19 number, but Vodafone also one I say Atiako Bisano, I say I styles be. And Crawford and no muchu chanema. I am a journal one mentias you. And Vodafone see and can't say fiber cuts none of this money in Iaba. Tifacho. almost say a man network and cross with me are slow or some parts of the country. April Mudia, much crab by much ending what bad a hard drink fine. And so almost say, Bomodi and I come to him, Umuguso the Nending, or Mayanina, when you may ye, said a beya, a dear Hontosronco, a debebre, yina. Ya dream won't why? A dream hopa. Adom 106.3, but more than I said, and so Mammy said, macro refrigeration. Bank of Africa, the African Bank with global reach. Awake mineral water. Etel go home.
You go survive when you remember when you see you smart. Hey, party man soon on the coffee. This I am Panama.
Amekwa ahomano so na fame and opening George Bodu on a General Secretary my Biomedical Engineers Association of Ghana. I just want to come and watch you pay.
Yeah, opinion.
Na bibia boko de.
Nyame adom boko.
Ye kaso be a biomedical engineer patron adwuma ne saying.
Oh, yo, opinion with them that say, Mefa wakunya so ade atia wetiefo nyina. Biomedical engineers nkofo bia ye yateti omu kwan sonko so efa hospital nimde meye nipa enhu esiesie mu sede be befa engineering akwan so ede ahwe nipa nti ye ko hospitals a sese no sede apomden etie no you depending mostly on machines and they share IR4. Nti biomedical engineers no mo ye nkofo a omudi sa machines no mu akotene pa omo no mo hye machines vidie no they share IR4 no. Omo anso na sefidie no ho touch ma omo hye esiesie vidie ni na se de be ya okọ hospital a na yepe efidie bi de di ho dwuma ye benya sa efidie na de ahwe nti Jumedia biomedical engineers edino titre pa na eneno.
Se sana tere ne kwamba so ne be fa so ebenya ventilators wo mai se kobase bedru ba bia ye behia bia.
Yo medase. Nse oni first now the kasa na okan about ventilators so mo develop ventilators no kre na biomedical engineers no edi mo akotene. It's like unso gudi kan kasa na oka bibi say oni nkrofobi from the field moye professionals mo di sa adwuma no the professionals na mo boa no ma omutumi sise sa efidie nse mudi kan twetwe ho nkomo yi biomedical engineers
atina monso mu ka ho bia na say mantie ho na say yi papa.
Yes, ye can't be like ye nkofo ni be can ena omoni professor ejuma.
Do okay. And no so wo share ade a betimi enimanu mi ase ye say be nya sika de awremu a mo betimi aye bebre.
Yeah, but I said the say no sika be awremu a ye betimi aye bebre na de ene say ventilators no ye egumu ahodo. A bit to say, in fact, offer car as an example. The basic ejuma car need to me and say, Utnemu, I said, you bet to me do a baby up a soul for Becquaco doing them. Na ventilator also a machine bit to me, Abua a patient, I own to me and home papano, a bebuano, mana home. Na your name be brave, I have any safety measures, I come Emma if you didn't to me dimu. Na sane mani nyina no bibi te say bi o patient bi o hwa ono ankasa tumi home kakra but na home na enye entumi mba bebre entumi support no nti ventilator no bɛboa no ɛma nenya etumi ahome yie obi nso wɔ hɔ a na ontumi home kora nti ɔsɛ ventilator no yɛ de ɛma no constant ahome a ohia no ɛboa no ma ɔyɛ di sɛ adwuma no nti nneɛma bebree wɔ hɔ a ɛkeka ho a ɛfɛ no ɛyɛ safety measures bi wɔ hɔ te sɛ oxygen a ɛkɔ nipa no mu no ɛde yɛfrɛ bibi te sɛ oxygen concentration amount of oxygen na ɛkɔ nipa no mu ɛtumi show ɛwɔ machine no so yɛwɔ various indicators a show ɛwɔ monitor so a ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ component a ɛkeka ventilator no homa ne nyinaa di mu ma ɛtumi yɛ adwuma nti ɛyɛ adwuma a sɛ yɛgu so a yɛyɛ emu nhwehwɛmu sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛnya materials ɛwɔ Ghana ha ya na ɛtumi di design saa machine ɛyɛ ventilator no nti sɛ yɛtumi di sika wura mu a nya nkurɔfoɔ so yɛ asen na ɔmo di sika wura mu a yes yɛbɛtumi nimenime ya abɔ mmɔden ade ventilators ne bi aba ama ɛtumi ahwɛ ayarefoɔ a ɔmo bɛhia no
yɛwɔ dodoɔ wɔ Ghana ha
the dodo no dear a relative because mostly no ventilators no more use the intensive care unit and say hospitals they go to say Kolebu Rage any comfort not no or more emergency ICUs maybe or more use ventilators no but mean to me stress dodo senior and no they just say it may contact Ministry of Health and send to me my data about the number of ventilators we have in the country. But COVID-19 patients no omo be here ventilators no say koba say omo be doors one and na ebia ebe hakakra but in many and we have to have alternative and until na ye trade na say ye be boa they be able to be locally because internationally even so kase okope ventilator kratos ya a shorty or international market in dia obinya
enti sana said ya ye be den ye betimi nya quality but affordable ventilators for Ghana
no ye se said ye na me di kan ye no ye gusu a ye different design prototype and even sooner professor and so a kind. See, when it has to go through FDA approval. And see, say to me, a design in FDA MA approval, mobile test it no more say no cre a bit to me as a quality in swa na yet to me a dear boa, I mean, they are shared airphone. And see, unless even say a design or and I say you produce go na FDA MI approval into me use unless say no approval from FDA.
Now Prophet Kase mode PVC pipe and any maniama big mode yeah but say do say ye be said be hospitals no and sabeka now Kase niama no say we are seeing no a short no na sa niama no mobenya bi wo hen
to say no they go so and say because a name a shorty or market international market and have ventilators a shorty or international market ye will be at the they produce it for under resource so when you can be say under resource I say my more a name a benny between ye nya my mu lay to me a design ventilators maybe young could depend so much on a abutrinium. Into no negusu a yen hwehwemu. Said the beya, Yebenya, a name a part maybe a war or my mu, I between at all my mu and Casa a day say human. Said the beya young could depend a war international market. So we are producing ventilators under low resource settings. Said the beya a beboa.
Sir, what said you ready corner your boat trading pompire say NG and Sam to say the Amaya Cassidy or Aju on Subma and Wire Dano.
Patel wait to me repeat Kaka.
What a minkaye?
Patel.
Let me say your boy empire said the COVID-19 Aji a mind being some no yet NG and Sam. na masembu san se koba se ye be hia bia mo hwa dakoro se mo wo materials ni na wa dakoro mbetimi aye de bo sen
say materials available there let me aka say dakoro ye betimi produce be 10 ventilators but ye share COVID-19 so the PNO was to share data available so far omunya binwa sabi ye nipa kakra bi na omuhia ventilator I say ye the ventilator sehwe just about 5% in a be ventilators if you don't know ebetumi they will go through the treatment without ventilators into ye bonya empire say ma koye escalated and as a cases are no emba say nipa bebre no na dodo no abehia ventilators but say ekobane sa there na I said there ahoche be bakakra nti enso yeguso a ye boy homodin a say ye betumi aboa na yenya more ventilators no in case ye call worst situation no ye betumi dia support aban no
Maminda was say, Mr. George Boyd, BBC Chairman Santo Safra.
Pate, Madam Steve, what no Steve for now.
Yes, Sipa. Opening George Boydu, General Secretary of Biomedical Engineers Association of Ghana. What's if you Monkomo?
New doing Cofunta so, but don't me woman Kutono, Obi Araniwa Oputum, Assisa Martin, baby, it's not me, Jim, no, won't come up, me come on, no, Ranida, Janiwa, no, sir. It's not me, Jim, no, me, won't come up. Come on in around there, wasem yemasem. Sembeti wunda, me waza me nyamumpo. Me dadin dosun womi mwa. Ware cheche mami niche. Sweet it na menche, mami mohu nkomobi. Minkomo in around there, me wapeza mawutapa. Shemima, me tibi yati nama, when you just shemima, baby, and until don't you break my heart. It's not me, mommy, won't come over me, come on in the Mami mom come up come on you know I need it wasem yamasem na mention mami mo como bi mi como ni narani de mi no do odosun kwa se mi nyona ma mi nywa mi robiara se mi wenye mo amboa mi zuro ni na you cry se mi ti wunda mi wata mi nyamumpo mi dadin dosun wo mi mo Wara chichur mami nije Sweet it's not me, no imo come be
Oh my God. And you might do. You not do. Yes, you not there. It's not mean chan, Mamma, won't come or be. Won't come on, you now you there. Obiara you on you say. Baby, it's not mean chan, Mamma, won't come on. Won't come on, you now you there. Wasam, ya masam, abe. Is it your worship with chapel bed? Praise the Lord. Tramen chen, oh Jesus. Mammy Mbo won't come on, hey. Men come on. Masa, you be a gummy. You go me a hand. We have ya. If you are, you are. And you know, I was so why. What's up? Why not? Togbi Agbeko Togbi Agbeko Togi Beto Uwo Toto Lagojo. Hey. One of the patrons of the Ever Youth Welfare Association. Mambo Udini Afachame. Efo Desire. So we show happy birthday. Dog Beto. To say Jano. Obi Kodi instructed Honorable Kwajima Menu. I see on Ghana Health Service Director General. Omuntamasa Omoba Trade. Kwaku Obi Okacho Obi Obo Nipa Obe Pesca na Koto. Yeah, they're from flat. They're from flat. They're boko there.
Boko, when you replace back on.
Sijusu. Oh, yeah, they say me no me maybe Sijusu. Me boy Jusu say ya beba.
And no power mama ni aje. Hwe the way we say bo begin to fall in love. I'm saying.
I just want to be nyira. Sure. Baby, yeah, Bassi Mace. Where's what? I branch any when you to
Pow.
It's a way you.
And no near some no. Unse and I'm not na you no cry no so I
yes, says here. With the corner back one essay credit coffee by chef regime.
Obente.
I didn't be chef regime.
You poor baby cool.
But I'm a 7 penny for can I say who and what's a massive. As I said,
Chesa no.
Yeah, try that bay in and crop about you.
Easy. Well, now I you force you to cry, Jahim. Na I feel a bit Easter day.
Na Easter answer Friday, yeah, bay. Sanka chain holiday. Tia the Amay.
Near didn't say.
Yedi. Is in Kachana Bakwa Uno.
Coachella and Quebec, we were both Bunsu Junction. Nanky a Bokwa.
Jerry.
Well, Ben, I answer Dwaso Nsem. No, Quebec nasty. Hey, make a last year, you go. And yes, I'm good.
I feel we are making some cocoa. We be
a. But last year, you boy, Juma Power.
Oh, we are there.
O share park, the Maya, not Parky, Captain Uber, and so quite qua. And one of whom Sampa, I don't make me a top one.
Massa.
Park and so quite quo. Then he paid Chum Cosa. At a point now, MZ for Cranham's on one. There be a radio station. Yes, radio station be awesome. Quasia Sama Quaqua. You catch them some train. I don't from Ford Bakwan and Yaba. What you say? Mamma, a German profession show me and you paid when we free here. I'm sorry about question manager. I was a manager. Your bank was a mere hole. Men some conclave. na me
beje
na me full stage no
na say for OPD
afa nipa ni
say the ben say A to Z no ye ho adwuma
responsibly
OPA opadwoa OPB Opebitris OPC Opesicilia OPD Opedocas OPE Opeunis
Captain, why show the other
OPG Opegeorget OPK Opekuadoko
na Captain say na me running mate ya say ni running mate ya
say na ona avechi
mama mia
na chinyam ne animnyam ne de he na ya na ye
nyame nem nukwe no hwe mu paa no a ni mienu nyina so ye but animnyam ne ye
sa animnyam na ya na ye
ya na ye
na animnyam na nim de he na kan
say me kanu say
animnyam no
but chinyam no yes na air flat so aya na nya kura o
sa o chinyam no so air flat and so
but ni ka o ma nyam no kakra na o ma
chinyam so kakra na chese echini atunyam
na no be send message o say OPD only captain mo say
oh ya say I get no way there ya say asaka nke bankeso
ya say mo
ya tutum say akwayo jo say wa say hweniti e ofio ya santi
okay be be say wo hwe ade ma me
na hwa phone na bo ni sa
enu ntina
who will you forgive a man had 3 wives, went to his office in the morning. Later he decided to go home for lunch. When he reached home, 1, he met his first wife beating his mother. That very minute now, me buy na
so Obama owo eyerenom miensa.
Second, the second wife was in bed with another man.
Yes or no? Wafani kunechi.
The third wife was putting medicine in his food.
Tell your bed dono
so that he can love her more than her mate.
Ntisa ma miensa. We are Bema.
The idea drogu meduanum de kampe no.
There's a kwakwa esa anyumi as a corner of we.
We there
so the way.
Oh, we there.
We. Can't
me when some am kasam bedo. Me wa no mado. Oh, udi baby drobi wa muncha kwesi don kwaji bingum. Oh, Jimmy Baya. Bema wajimi nya dro na bema wajimi. Oh, charge masajai.
Wajimi
no. Bema wajimi nya dro bia na ma bema bia jimi.
Nti obema oware ma miensa. Da kru opie okokrum. Oba ye no.
Na the year first one obone ma. Eno eyeme a. Me musa de esi ya me yu niam na ba bonten preko.
Second one or second wife no so no. Enso ne obema foforo so HT.
Me consider say bia nkoche wu a. Me consider her.
Third wife no so e di biribi gu aduan so be si adom.
Me akwa me boa no. Onfa
eye kosa me busa Ghana fo nyina.
Hwan na de be che no. Me de be che third one no.
Said the oyo biribi said the obedo no.
Yem biribi na okwan. Wa wore wi nka akwan.
Okay. Was wa dwinche no.
Me de no.
Was wa dwinche no.
Ubu mame ana udi mame atem mejao Pentecost for paying to me saying
wow
mejao mame mpapa obono udi na te mejao yen to me saying there is a work and happiness money and